All right, welcome back. And today we're going to do a quiz on to see if we can name all the countries of South America. So there's only 12, so this is going to be pretty easy, and I'm pretty sure I can actually name pretty much all of these, so this is going to be probably a short video. But let's go ahead and get started. So we have Colombia, Venezuela, Paraguay, Bolivia, Brazil. We have Ecuador's smaller one over there, Peru. I even know where these are located. Now, let me think here. Suriname and French Guinea? No, wait, Guinea. I could have sworn there was French something here. Maybe it's this gray one, I'm not really too sure. But let's see the answer. Guyana. Okay, I knew that I wouldn't get some of these here, but let's try again. Okay, so let's do Guyana. We'll start with that. Suriname. And now we should be good. Venezuela, next to that's Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, and that's that. Well, that was a pretty short video, but there's only 12 countries in South America, so it's pretty simple. Anyways, it looks like the average score is 87%, so most people only get maybe one country wrong or two at most. But I'll see you guys in the next video.